Hello everyone, my name is Ramesh Zohar. I am from PMA. This feeder name is Swaminarayan feeder and this location name is Kantaben Sivabai Patel Aksar Complex, Bursat. SMC box seal properly done, meter properly installed, meter network and data LED blinking properly, and meter is on condition. Thank you.